What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today is one of those awesome days where I get to open a video at a track. One of those other awesome days where I get to open up a video at this track, Texas Motor Speedway. If you guys remember, we were here last year with Sam, and it's been a little while since we've been back. I'm actually racing this year, and today's been an interesting day. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, I think. I have to check my schedule or my phone, but I think it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. I haven't picked up the camera to this point because I've been driving, or I've been trying to drive most of the day. When I mean trying, I mean failing, because the car broke again. The throwout bearing finally just completely hand grenaded. It's a brand new throwout bearing. So I'll find out where I got it from. I'll leave a link for you guys so you guys can see it. But evidently, I don't know if it was a bad one or if they're just all junk, but it just blew up. Like, there's no more throwout bearing in the car. I can still shift, kind of, so we're gonna go for it, but I'm probably going to break something. So that's not gonna be bueno, but we're gonna try anyway. That's pretty much the day so far. We've just been kind of hanging around. I've been just trying to get over being so bummed out from the car breaking so early here that I've just not picked up the camera. I didn't feel like I could give you guys 100%, so I didn't pick up the camera, but now I got some food in me, I calmed down a bit. The car's still drivable-ish, so that's good. Sorry about the wind. Aside from that though, it's just been a really fun day. So it's an awesome day at Texas Motor Speedway. This is a very fast track. It's a very fun track, and I'm enjoying it when I can get out there. I just have to be very, very careful about when I go out so I don't wreck the car to the point where I cannot go get points. So today's pretty much just gonna be a points race more than it is like me trying to beat somebody else. I just need to try to make the car go around the track, which really bums me out, but that's what it is, you know. So something broke, I can still drive it to a point. I'm gonna drive it, I'm gonna get points, so I can continue on in the series, and then we'll come back next month and do it all over again, and hopefully it won't be broken. All right, everybody, I had to switch over to the GoPro because I'm getting ready to run comp. So we're just gonna send it. Like I said before, we're gonna try to just flat out send it, and we'll see what happens, because it's either gonna work or it's gonna blow up. And that right there is why I don't just drive a broken car, boys and girls. It's whatever. I got to go on the track, I got my points. Car didn't blow up, but I didn't run it anywhere near a clean line. So it was rough. Yeah, so the car is done for the day. It's probably done for the weekend. I really wish I could keep going. Or it's too far gone. I wish I could keep going, but it's so far gone that, like, at this point I'm just making a fool of myself, and the car is in no way going to be able to teach me anything. It's broken. So main attempt, we got our points, so we'll see what happens, see where I land. The rest of the weekend is just gonna be me hanging out with the rest of the race team, which I gotta introduce you guys to them. I haven't introduced you guys to the entire race team, which I will do probably momentarily, but yeah, that just means I get to hang out with everybody else and just relax and drink and have fun for the rest of the weekend, because the car's broken. I already got my points. Might as well turn this negative into a positive. This is one of those reasons that racing is really annoying. So here's Jesse, by the way, guys. I don't think I've actually seen you in the video yet.
Yeah, no, not yet.
I did that one with you, and I just gave all the footage to you. So.
Yeah.
This is Jesse. He went off track yesterday. I think we have a clip from that, but
yeah,
this is something that can happen when you go off track. That sucks.
Yeah, pretty badly.
But it's a fixable issue.
Yeah. We'll get it straightened out. We'll be all right. We'll make it all.
We got Sam, the head mechanic here,
The guy
doing
who
his.
doesn't talk to the camera ever.
Yeah, the guy, him in his natural habitat, supervising.
This is like a city crew where you got two people watching and one filming it, making sure one's gonna do it right.
Exactly. Yeah, this is officially a union job.
Yeah, right? There's just no benefits here.
Well, hold up, we got lunch yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Doing out there?
It's going pretty good. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Car's working out.
No more suspension problems, I hope.
Yeah, not right now. I mean, we had pretty much adjusted everything that we could in the front. Right now, the car seems to be running pretty solid. I just came back from some tandem runs with Michael Van Schellenberg, Dan Walter, Josh Toll. So it was pretty good. I was able to stay on people's doors, using a lot of angle, and just really making it stand out. Hey man, we're just gonna go into comp and see how it works out. A few more practice runs today.
I really did. Good job, man. By the way, we need to do a whole thing because I actually haven't shown anyone else to the rest of the team. So, Josh, Dan, I still haven't done this part. I gotta introduce you guys to the rest of the team. Buddy Dan, driving the white and blue.
Yes, sir.
Mustang. God, I almost said beyond.
Sleeper Stang, scuba Stang, some kind of weird Stang.
Yeah, this monster right here. How's it doing out there, man?
I mean, I haven't tuned it yet. I mean, I call it slow. It's pretty fast, but it's slow compared to what it's expected to be right now because it's not finished. I never finish it. I'll never finish it.
Dude, you never finish racing. That's how that works.
Yeah.
It's really.
I mean, dude, it's great. I always like improvements, so it's hard to say that, but it's great.
At least your car works.
Yeah.
Last guy who's here racing with us today, Josh. Again, I haven't introduced you guys to everybody, but there's Josh. What's up, man? He's able to drive the Gen 3 Camaro with no chops somehow.
No chop.
How's it doing out there, man?
It's good. It's good. It's fast. It likes to grip up a lot, really kind of scoot. Keeps up with the Corvettes. That's nice.
That's actually a really big accomplishment on this track.
Yeah, I'm super excited it does it. It's almost too fast sometimes. It likes to throw me around, but it does all right.
We built this track. Well, man, I gotta get with you too, right? More Instacart footage, so. That's pretty much everybody who's here racing with Loki this weekend. I think there's like one other guy, but I don't know where he's at. He's not pitted with us today. But we're having a good day today. It's a fun day. It's hot, but we're having fun. I'll probably go out and do some more rides with everybody. We'll do some more in-car, and I'll show you guys how everyone's doing on the track.
I was good on this track.
I was fucking tired.
We're in the hot pit now. Jesse, Josh, Dan, and our buddy Malik. Hi, Malik. Are all getting ready to go race right now, so we're getting prepped. Cars hopefully are gonna do really good, but we're gonna be here for a good couple minutes. Dan's going early because he's a little bit earlier in the lineup, but Josh and Jesse are gonna be a couple of minutes. So, a couple minutes of just hanging out. Good job, man.
Thanks, dude.
Good job on the first run, but.
Hey, dude, honestly, for how bad my head's overheated and I can't even like balance myself, I kept the car on track. We're good.
You took one run. You advanced one.
I did.
So that's
Don't
good.
know how, but I did.
Good job, man.
Thank you.
Oh, God. It's still hot. Josh, you ready? You sure?
Are you about to?
You ready, man?
Ready?
Good luck. Ready to rock and roll, Jesse?
Oh, yeah, dude. I'm ready.
Y'all done showing off?
Nah, not really.
All right, we're getting into the top 8 now. It's getting hectic, it's getting crazy, it's getting fun. Let's see what we do here.
Oh my God, is that Harrison Johnson?
Oh my God.
John.
What's up?
That's filming.
Oh, they said my name.
Oh, so they're going top 8 runs. See what Jesse's got.
I think this is for top 8.
This is
Now that I like actually count the cars, I think this is top 16 to top 8.
Just like that, an end to another race weekend, which ended really shittily for me yesterday, as you guys may have already seen earlier. So it's whatever. We had fun. Everyone's just getting loaded up and cooling off and just enjoying themselves.
What's up?
Yeah. Hey, man.
What's up, Danny? Good driving.
Good drive. Josh. Yeah, good run today, man. I'll hopefully see you guys soon.
For sure.
Hopefully. Jesse, don't you run away from me, goddammit.
What's up?
Don't you run away from me, goddammit.
Nah,
See you later, man.
That's for sure.
Good runs.